Yeah, so this is a fresh fish market that we have here in Brussels. In general, it's open during the whole day, during weeks, and during the weekend until 6 p.m. I think. There's a lot of people, as you can see here. So everyone is having a bit of white wine, champagne, beers, and also a lot of seafood, which I love. Yeah, so now we are going to get some food. Father is coming back with some appetizers. Cheers. Something. Cheers, guys. This is a really nice square, I think, to grab something to eat. In general, it's not that crowded with tourists. Now the food's coming. I'm happy. So look at that. We have a shrimp, this one. This is a fish, I think. And we have more shrimps here with mayo, some herbs. Really yummy. And all of that for how much? Yeah, plus one beer and one cup of champagne, 47 euro. Not cheap, but okay. Love it. Croquette is really good. So this is the fish. No. We are planning to move to Mazatlan. I'm living here in Brussels for 2.5 years already. But now we are moving to Mazatlan, Mexico. Yeah, a bit more sun, close to the beach. It's a new time in my life, I think. So yeah, in general, in the city center, you have a lot of things to do. So you have the Grand Place, which is the main square. You have really, really nice buildings there. It was elected one of the most beautiful squares in Europe by the UNESCO. And you have a lot of chocolate stores here, handmade chocolates. And also restaurants and bars. So many here that you are going to enjoy. So yeah, here we have a really nice building. This is from the Napoleon era, when they start to build this building. It's a pretty one, right? You can check a bit inside for you guys to see. Impressive. Look at that. Then we have Antwerp on this side and Amsterdam on this side. And they also have the Belgian Beer World, which is a beer museum. They have the history of beer production here in Belgium. Because if you guys don't know, Belgians, they are really well known for one of the best beer brands in the world. And now we are heading to the Grand Place. You guys are going to see one of the most beautiful squares in the world. And this is recognized by UNESCO. Maison Dandoy. If you guys don't know, this brand is one of the best brands for cookies in Belgium. They have really good cookies. Butter cookies, speculoos. It's amazing, speculoos. And then you have a lot of chocolate stores here as well. Look at those chocolates and candies. I hope you guys can see that. Look at that macaron, chocolates. This one here is called Ghent Nose. It's a typical candy from Ghent, which is a city in Flanders, Belgium. They are basically really sugary. They are a bit more hard in the outside and soft in the inside, like a jelly. Elizabeth chocolates. Look at that. Granola and cranberry, dark chocolate. Wow, this square is amazing. Look at that, guys. Holy crap. Holy crap, look at this building. This is a Gothic building. It's an old one. A lot of details, as you can see in the facade. During the winter, Christmas, They put the tree over there in the city center. A lot of lights everywhere, and they do video mapping as well in those buildings. Everything moving with a lot of songs, DJs presenting. It's so cool. You guys need to come here. It's one of the best Christmas. You have a Christmas market, a lot of really nice food. Everyone is so happy. So here you have a museum as well. Not the busiest day, there's a lot of people, but for this square, it's really okay. In general, it's so much crowded. And then you have those really cute ones, which is really characteristic from Belgium, this type of buildings. Pay attention, you can see a lot of different signs and meanings in the facade. This one, for example, is from the 1698, and you have a goose right in front of the building. And the other side, we are going to see one of the main touristic points here in Brussels. Don't be afraid, it's too big. And it's dressed up today. See? Just kidding. It's not that big actually. It's a small one. But it's a really old one. It's called Manneken Pis, or Kissing Boy. He's dressed with the Brussels outfit today. This is a typical flower from Brussels, which is the symbol of the city. And you have the symbol of the city on his shirt as well. See? It's a fountain. Let's take a picture for Instagram here. What do you guys think? But here nearby you can see the Royal Park. It's a lot of trees. You have some events as well, pop-up events. Some DJs during spring and the summer. It's really nice, a lot of music festivals as well. Strawberries and cherries, and look really tasty. It's the King Gallery and the Queen Gallery. Show the galleries for you guys. It's another hot spot to visit. Really nice stores, cafe, chocolate stores. Look at that. So as you can see, the Manneken Pis is really an icon to the city. Look at this praline. Oh my God. I love Belgian chocolate. Look at that. Beautiful, right? This is the store that I recommend you guys to taste. So, 7 macarons in the box, 18 euro. What do you think? So now it's the Queen's Gallery. This is the other part, as you can see. The King's Gallery is there, or it's the other way around. And then you have a lot of cafes, as you can see. It is a beautiful gallery, right? What do you guys think? There's a theater here in this building as well. Of course, most of the plays they are in French. We just finished to visit the Royal Gallery. Now we are going to the Mont, which is a place where you have a lot of different museums. You have a beautiful square with a beautiful garden. One of the most beautiful views in Brussels city center. So yeah, we have a museum here. We have another museum here and over there. This is the garden I mentioned. Yeah, so here we can see a bit already of the tower, right? From the Grand Place. Queen Elizabeth statue there. If you guys don't know, Belgium has a monarchy. This is a Lebanese club. Yeah, so this is the garden I mentioned. Look how pretty. Not a picture. Are those tulips? Black tulips, I think. Bordeaux, no? Look how pretty. So we have a fountain here. pretty, no? Oh, so here's really cool. It's a cafe and a bar. Not so good to eat though, but to have a drink with a view. I think it's a really nice spot. It's called Château Moderne. Look, some art gallery here. Look at this room. If I'm not wrong, this is medieval. Look at that. So here we have the Smurfs again. Look at that. So it's all painted. The Smurfs. A bit broken here. Hope you guys can see it all. This is the roof of the tunnel, close to the central station. There we go. I'm reading the chat now. Hey guys. Oh my god. I didn't see that there's a lot of people now. I didn't notice. The problem is that my phone died, the battery, and I just connected now. I couldn't connect in the street. So this is a place called Jardin Hospice in Brussels, Belgium. This is Stella Artois. And we have a Moscow Mule. It's crazy. There are more than 1,000 viewers here. I cannot believe. Ah yeah, my Moscow Mule. Cheers. That's amazing. Thank you so much for the raid and thank you so much for watching. Brussels is really tourist. You have a lot of places here to visit. You have surrealism museums, you have the Grand Place, one of the most beautiful squares in Europe. It's also recognized by the UNESCO. They have a lot of old buildings, a lot of gold. It's nice, it's nice. And you also have the Belgian fries, which they say it's way better than the French fries because they fry 2 times. And the second time is beef oil, I think, or something like this. They say that's not vegan, but it's really tasty. They have a lot of toppings, different toppings, many sauces. This was some psychiatric clinic, really old one. And nowadays they have restored the whole building. They opened this beautiful garden here and they have a bar over there inside. And they do a lot of events here. So they have this place with a lot of tents that I'm showing to you now. So you can grab some beer there and you can sit everywhere you want. Over there you have some place to buy some burger, but unfortunately it's closed. So I guess I'm going to get drunk today because I haven't eaten at all. But it's a nice place. They do some cultural stuff here as well. A bit hipster, but nice. Bonsoir.
C'est juste pour vous prévenir que dans un quart d'heure et là on fait garder vert.
Pardon, est-ce que vous parlez anglais, non?
It's for the last call and
for the drinks.
yeah.
Okay. 15. Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Yeah, so the guy was announcing that we have 15 minutes more for a drink and they are closing the garden. In any case, we can go for a walk. We'll see if we can find a place to sit. Yeah, here they have some Chinese food as well. Do you want to try this one instead of the pizza? Guys, we're going to have Chinese. Okay, so no rice, we're going to have noodles. Also good.
Une nuit pour la quai.
Oui, c'est ça. Merci. Est-ce que vous avez de hachis? We don't have too much light here. Let's see if you can see it. But it's a noodle with what duck? Pork.
Yeah, it's more like
So we have pork noodles. We have a big Chinese community here in Brussels, so there's a lot of really legit food, and this one is one of the restaurants that they recommend. Okay, merci beaucoup.
But you should be able to.
But like, I mean, anything that I'm like absolutely, I'm 100% with that. I mean, like, I don't want to order. If you have a dick on your video, just like,
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that you guys are here.